Look at the weather. Meteorologist Alison Pryor has that.
For most across the area, as you just saw in that shot and Paul was describing, great conditions. We do have a few spots, though, of a little bit of patchy fog and mist that has developed, seeing that through the Sequatchie Valley and also a little bit over to the east. Not any kind of dense fog, but maybe enough just that you want to slow down and take it easy driving into work this morning. As far as the temperatures go, it's a really comfortable start to the day. 74 degrees in Chattanooga, 70 for Cleveland, 72 in Dalton, and Fort Payne at 69. So most in the central part of our viewing area in the valley spots, most likely your temperatures right now are going to be in the 70s. As we look at your hour-by-hour forecast on this summer morning, the last day of June, mostly cloudy skies for the morning time. Overall, we'll call it mostly to partly cloudy today. So I do think we are going to get that nice mix of clouds and sunshine and blue sky like we had yesterday as well. Hitting 84 degrees by noon, and it's going to be a warm and muggy afternoon ahead, spending much of the afternoon from about 85 to 90 degrees across the area. Now there will be a chance once again, just like yesterday, that we're going to have these hit or miss scattered showers and storms to pop up. Those overall chances at about 30%. There's no organization to them, so certainly we can't pinpoint exactly where they'll happen, but primarily starting up in some of the higher elevations, those ridge lines, and then moving down into some of those valley spots. Now, because of that mix of sun and clouds, and because we are still really pretty close to the summer solstice with that direct solar angle, yes, the UV index today is in that very high category at a level 10, so make sure you're grabbing the sunglasses and the sunscreen before you head out. Why not show you one more meter to look at? Well, this is going to be the muggy meter. Those dew points today right around that 70-degree mark, which is in between that humid to very muggy category, but certainly still enough that you're going to feel that stickiness to the air. That also means the heat index will be a few degrees warmer than what the true air temperature is, maxing out today at about 90 to 94 degrees of that peak heating of the day in the middle of the afternoon. Here's a check of our current clouds and radar map. There's nothing showing up on the radar. Overall, there may be a stray shower this morning, but most likely staying dry with those pop-up storms not really developing until the afternoon and evening hours. And we are beginning to see that cloud line moving past our far western communities, so getting some more clear skies showing up if you're in Marion County, Grundy County, Van Buren, and Bledsoe counties at this time, and some thinning out too, even into our Tennessee communities, still a little bit denser there in northwest Georgia and northeast Alabama. So overall, we will have some mostly cloudy skies this morning, but throughout the day today, we'll call it partly sunny. Big picture look here, you can see that stationary front is still well down to the south of us, another low pressure and frontal system to the north of us. We're basically squeezed in between, not a whole lot of activity happening here in our local area. That's why it'll just be those hit or miss, very typical summertime showers and storms to pop up. So looking at FUTURECAST, here's that movement showing about 3 p.m. A few little blips here of the green showing up on the map. We will have the potential anytime you get a thunderstorm over your area. Some brief heavy downpours. That rain can come down pretty quickly, and of course with the lightning and thunder, you want to head indoors as well. Here showing at 6 p.m. certainly it's not going to be a washout, a mix of sun and clouds. So I would say if you want to go to the Lookouts game tonight, you can do that, but just keep in mind there may be a shower that pops up. Overall, Friday morning, not a whole lot of activity, but once again in the afternoon, here comes everything blossoming up. I think chances will be a little bit greater tomorrow for seeing some rain and storms across our area, but even still, it's not going to be every location. 40% chance for your Friday. We're going to repeat that same kind of forecast on Saturday as well. So partly sunny skies for your Saturday and into the afternoon. A few scattered showers and storms popping up across the area. So FUTURECAST rainfall all the way through Saturday at 2 p.m. You can even still see after 3 days, there's still going to be a few spots that don't even get any rain. Of course, our lawns and gardens could use it. We are behind in rainfall. Some of those stronger storms will have the potential to produce about a ½ inch to 1.5 inches. We saw a couple locations that received that yesterday, so that could happen over the next few days as well. Here are those high temperatures that we're expecting for the day today. If you end up with no rain, you can expect that heat really to add up, so that's why I have that 90 in Chattanooga. If you do get one of those downpours, that'll briefly reduce your temperature, at least providing a little bit of relief. 84 for your high today in Murphy, 83 in Blue Ridge, and 88 in Dalton. Now overnight tonight, a combination of 60s and 70s with the partly cloudy sky, 72 for that low in the Scenic City. And then looking ahead to Friday, partly sunny, yes, some more of those storms, winds from the south at 5 to 10 miles per hour, 88 for Dayton, Cleveland, and in Athens, 83 for that high in Fort Payne. Looking ahead then for the entire 7-day forecast, the heat is going to build up, so hitting 90 on Saturday, 92 on Sunday, and 93 on Monday. Of course, Monday, that's the 4th of July holiday. We'll still have the chance for a few of those scattered showers and storms, but also it's going to be really muggy outside. Heat index values on Sunday and Monday right around that 100-degree mark possibly. So just make sure between all of the fun and everything that you're also staying hydrated as well.